a new offering from Maruti Suzuki stable in the A3 Plus segment. In this segment, actually, we were not having any product. This is a product which has been typically designed keep between the age group of 30 to 40 and who is looking to upgrade from an A3 segment product. In this product, when we have designed it, if you see the product from the space point of view, from the convenience point of view, be it from the mileage point of view, it is the product which is much ahead of any of our competitor. Second important point which has to be kept in mind when we are saving this product is the styling part of it. It's the styling which has come from the product, the balancing of all the elements which has been done is amazing actually. And another important point is the pricing part of it. The pricing which we have done, be it in the petrol and the diesel, is one of, again, is more very customer friendly. If you see the price here, the petrol has been launched at 7.34 lakhs and the diesel has been launched at 8.41 lakhs. Generally, Maruti creates its own space. That's what we are known for. When we launch in any new product, actually, we do it. But nevertheless, as you rightly said, the Honda City and the Varnas are there. Yes, they are right now in the same segment. We are hoping for the best, that we should be the market leader in this segment also in times to come. Yeah, as I shared before also, that overall the auto industry is not in a very good shape. But for the Maruti, the outlook is that we will be growing in a double digit by the end of this financial year. Right now we are growing at 15% and we look forward that all year also we will have a double digit growth. Is now varying and the gap is narrowing down. What we are seeing, all India perspective, that the percentage of petrol vehicles are increasing as compared to the diesel. So we have to keep a very close watch because till the time the things are not getting stabilized, it is very difficult. But generally the ratio is 40-60, which it stays, 60% petrol, 40% diesel. But again, it depends on the pricing of the gasoline. I'm talking about the small cars only. That typically what we are seeing is this, that first time buyers are again coming back. That's a very positive sign. In Maruti, what we are seeing is this, that first time buyer percentage is increasing. Last year, that was a first time buyers were not coming. And especially for the small cars, it's the first time buyers who makes a difference. Now this year, what we are seeing is this, that the first time buyers have again started coming, and that's a very positive sign.